Hi, I'm Cheryl Major, and I took Lou Bortone's Descript course the first time, and it was fabulous. It's worth every penny. I think my favorite part was the ability in the Q&A calls to ask Lou questions in real time. You know how when you're learning something new and you've gone through the videos and you've read the information and the how-tos, there's that long little thing that you just can't quite figure out, and it stops you and it frustrates you and it drives you crazy. That doesn't happen here because you can get on a Q&A call with Lou and he will show you in real time what the sticking point is, how to get around it, how to figure it out. And if you forget what he told you to do, everything's recorded and it's in the membership site. So you can go back and you can relearn what he taught you. It's just wonderful. I mean, Descript has so much to offer, and Lou is a master at sifting through it and teaching it. So I personally think it's worth every single penny. If I had it to do over again, I would absolutely take the opportunity and sign up for Descript. And you might want to do that too. I highly recommend it.